Strong Arm Fitness. What is up, guys? Back again. Just came back from the gym. It is 6 o'clock. 6:04 right now. And as I said, just hit some buys and back. And what do you do normally after a workout? What is every person looking to build muscle right after a workout does? Protein shake, right? Whey protein shake. Some water and some milk, right? Wrong. Today, I'm going to do something a little unorthodox. Something that probably 99% of people out there really don't know about, and want to share with you guys. So instead of having a whey protein shake, what we're going to have, I'll show you guys. Can you guys guess what we're going to make here? We got a bag of ice, blender, another smaller bag. We have salt, whey protein, and vanilla extract. There's one more thing we need. Just grab this out of the fridge right here. We got some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. What do you think we're going to be making today? If you can read and see the title of this video, we're going to make ice cream. Protein ice cream, that is right. Now the way we're going to do this is by using the salt. We're going to put that on top of the bag of ice, right, all over the ice, and shake it around, make sure it's good in there. Secondly, we will be taking 1 cup of almond milk, putting it in the blender with, I'm going to do a 1.5 scoops of Muscle Farm Combat Powder cookies and cream. You could use whatever protein you'd like. I just wanted some cookies and cream. And once that's done and it's all blended up, we'll put it in the bag. And once we put it in the bag, I'll put a little bit of vanilla extract in there, like a tablespoon or so. That's probably fine. And then we are going to place the smaller bag of the protein and almond milk and vanilla extract mix inside of the ice bag with the salt. And we're going to seal both of them up and we're going to shake it up. And you guys probably did this like in science class in high school. At least I know I did in 11th grade chemistry. And after you shake it up for about 5 to 6 minutes, it solidifies and it turns into ice cream. And you know, I just wanted to figure I'd change something up a little bit. You know, instead of having a shake, why not have some ice cream? And it tastes pretty damn good. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you know, it's not as good as going out and getting some Haagen-Dazs. I'm not gonna BS you, but it's pretty good. And definitely a nice change, you know, if you're used to drinking shakes all the time and you don't really want to do it. So, with that being said, I'm going to start now. Okay, so as you can see, I did everything so far, including spill some of the protein on the counter. That's always good. So, as I said, took 1 cup of almond milk, poured it right in the blender, blended it with my scoop and a half of combat powder. Used, I didn't even measure it, but around a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Put that in the small bag, and now place it inside the giant Ziploc bag filled with ice. Make sure they are sealed airtight. This is not airtight, so I'm going to fix that. And once this is in the bag like this, try to surround it on all 4 sides with ice. And you shake for 5 to 6 minutes. Alright guys, so I will see you in 5 to 6 minutes. Alright guys, we are done here. Let's go take a look at the final product. Alright, you know it is ready when this bag should be hard. Like, this is very hard. It feels like tough Play-Doh. That's what it should feel like. It should have this consistency, and it looks absolutely disgusting in the bag. Like I said, also be careful. Seal it up really nice, because there's a few times during this video where I shook up the bag and shook everywhere and got all over my floor. So, learn from me, seal the bags very, very, very tight. Okay? So, we will now place that inside our bowl. Okay, and that is the inside. Take a nice look. Appetizing, right? Take that, squeeze it right out of the bag. I want to get all those gains. And half of it that I spilt on the counter. Alright, now all of it is out. Again, that is a scoop and a half of protein of the Combat Cookies and Cream with 1 cup of almond milk, the vanilla extract, and that's it. This is what it looks like. Oh, it looks delicious, right? It does not look delicious. And now, only one thing to do. Taste test. I actually never made it with almond milk before. I made it with 1% milk, because that's just all I had available to me at the time, but let's try it out. I'm just messing around. It's actually really good. Again, there's not even like any sweeteners in this. There's no sugar. There's no, I didn't even put any artificial sweeteners in this. And it's pretty good. As I said, it's not going to be Haagen-Dazs quality. You're not going to, I'm not fooling you here. It's not like that. But it's pretty good. It is pretty good. Really good. And that also depends on the quality of the taste of your whey protein. If your whey protein tastes like crap, this is going to taste like crap. If your whey protein is good, it's most likely going to taste pretty good. This is the only flavor that I've experimented with. If you guys want to go out and try like strawberry or chocolate or vanilla, anything like that, let me know in the comments below. Some new flavors and what tastes pretty good. I've only tried the cookies and cream. from Muscle Farm. But it is pretty good. Taste-wise, I would say like a 7.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. And again, I didn't use any artificial sweeteners, no sugar, no nothing. Okay? So, if you want to know the macros for this is 1 scoop for the Muscle Farm. Okay? So we got 2 grams, I'm sorry, of protein, 5 carbs, and 25 grams of protein. And that is in 1 scoop. We use 2. Okay? We will get the almond milk back here, right out of the fridge. Okay, the almond milk, as you can see, 3 grams of fat, 1 carb, 1 protein. Alright? So, let's add it together. Now, if my calculations are right, which they're probably not because I'm a dumb meathead, we have 6 grams of fat, we have 8.5 grams of carbs, and 38.5 grams of protein. That is pretty damn good for some ice cream, guys. And I'm not lying to you. It doesn't look great, but it's pretty good for what it is. And I just experimented with this one day. I was like, I want to make my own homemade ice cream, and I looked up the recipe. I forgot that I learned how to do this in school, and I was like, you know what? Instead of using half and half and, crap, why don't I use almond milk and protein powder? And you know what? Don't regret it. It's really good, guys. If you want to give it a try, let me know. Try different flavors, brands, whatever. Strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, birthday cake, whatever you could think of. And let me know in the comments below what you guys have tried and what flavors and brands work out the best for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the pit stains and back sweat that you had to watch this entire video, and hope you like it. Take care, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. Strong Island Fitness.